In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for IT asset management. We'll walk through setting up and exploring a board that helps you track and manage your assets in a clear, visual way. Follow along in your own Monday.com account so you can mirror these steps as we go. Start by heading to your employee directory board. This might already exist in your workspace, or you might have a similar people or HR board. Open that up so you're looking at the main board view. This is often where asset management connects back to specific employees, so it's a helpful starting point. Next, look for the highlighted area that opens the templates or board creation panel. This is usually at the top of the screen, where you create new boards or add views. Click that highlight to open the panel, and then choose the option to Start with Template. Using a template gives you a ready-made structure, which is ideal if you're setting up IT asset management for the first time. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type in the highlighted term you see in the interface. This is going to narrow down the templates to the one we want. Once the results load, click on the highlighted template that matches the asset or digital asset management structure shown in your account. When you're on the template details page, click Use Template. This will create a new board in your workspace based on that layout. It may take a moment to load, especially if there are sample items and views included. After the board is created, switch to the Asset Cards view. This view gives you a more visual way to look at your assets, often using cards or a Kanban-style layout. It's great for quickly scanning through devices, software licenses, or other items. Then, move back to the Main Table view. This is where you'll see all the core information in a spreadsheet-style layout. From here, look for the sections or items related to your company logo, welcome video, product launch video, team members, and your office. Click into each of these areas to see how files and information are organized. This is a good moment to think about how you can mirror this structure for your own IT assets, like grouping by type, owner, or location. Next, open the Files Gallery view. This shows you all the attached files in a more visual gallery format, which is especially useful if you store manuals, warranty documents, or asset photos. Finally, switch back to the main table and then open the Digital Asset Management (DAM) view. Explore how this view filters and structures your data. You can adapt this approach to your own IT asset categories, statuses, and owners, giving you a flexible but organized way to manage everything in Monday.com.